What's up folks, my name is Felix, welcome back to this video, and today we are going to talk about a new project which is launching in around 4 days on the 8th of May at 9 a.m. UTC. I'm talking about 9 to 5, a project from Defi Spammer, a very well-known guy in the DeFi high ROI space. And he created this project, which is basically a high ROI Dapp on the Binance Smart Chain where you can deposit USDT. These USDT will be locked forever and you will get a daily return of 0.5% up to 2%. And these daily percentages can be adjusted to their revenue. I will talk about everything in more detail in this video. At first, and the most important thing for me, are always the safety measures which are behind the project. Therefore, we have to jump over to their white paper and take a look at their security and transparency mechanisms. As you can see, they already did 2 audits with CryptoPrim and the stamp, and they also did an KYC with the AnonyDocs. And if we jump over to Twitter, we can see that issued KYC certificate. And I know that AnonyDocs is a very trusted company with a lot of reputation, and that's why I really like they did their KYC process with AnonyDocs. The second thing which I wanted to show you is the stamp audit. As we can see, most important thing, owner has access to the funds. This, of course, again, is necessary in such kind of protocols because they have to generate revenue to bring back these returns to the investors. Otherwise, it would be reliable on Ponzinomics. And if we take a look on the overall stats, we can see no backdoors here, so 100 score, and the team trust is also at 100. So we have to pay attention to the owner privileges in this audit. I will not go over everything, but this I wanted to show you in this video because these are the things the owner can adjust in this project. So he can adjust the daily reward rate, he can adjust the team cut percentage, the referral bonus, also the compound and the work harder bonus, which I will talk about in more detail in a second. And they can also withdraw funds from the contract, as I already mentioned, to generate the yield. But this is secured by a multisig with the stamp team. And these multisig mechanisms work like as follows. In the first week, they are able to withdraw 70% of the total value locked, and in the following weeks is 50% per day. And again, maybe for people who don't know how a multisig works, every time the owner of the project, so DeFi Spammer, wants to withdraw something from the contract, he basically has to create a withdrawal request, and then one team member of the stamp team has to confirm this withdrawal request, and that brings a lot of security for the project, which I like to see. Now we want to get into the Dapp and especially into the office. So again, there is a minimum investment of 30 USDT. USDT is the only cryptocurrency they allow to deposit with. There is a maximum also of 100k, and you basically get paid out every single day in this project. And there is an accumulation cutoff after 7 days. So after these 7 days, your rewards will stop to accumulate and you will not get any more rewards until you take an action. So you have to withdraw your funds, or you can compound them or press the work harder button. To get a better picture on all these functions, we want to jump into the investment guide here. The compound button basically adds 100% of your current rewards back into your initial stake. These will be locked again forever, but you will generate your returns on this new bigger stake. There is a 10% deposit fee, as we can see up here, but no compound fees and no withdrawal fees in this project. And there is another option you can take. You can also press the work harder button, which automatically compounds 50% of your current USDT rewards and transfers the other 50% directly to your wallet. Both of these actions give you a bonus. The compound gives you a 0.5% bonus on your daily ROI, and the work harder button gives you a 0.3% bonus on your daily ROI. But there is also a limit on these two functions. The compound requires at least 2 days of accumulation, and the work harder function requires at least 4 days of accumulation. And now you might want to ask, how do they generate their revenue? Therefore, we jump over to the portfolio and external revenue section, and there you can get a better picture on how they plan to generate their external returns. But from my information, these informations here on the white paper are not the newest anymore. That's why we jump into their Telegram group and take a look at the recent announcement how they want to generate their revenue. This is this revenue plan right here. So they want to allocate 30% of the funds in forex trading, which then are traded with by a reliable alpha trader in the forex market. Then 30% of the funds will go to a crypto YouTuber, which will trade with the funds and with very well-known traders. 20% will be going to a staking and liquidity pool. And the last 20% will be allocated in other external investments and other potentially promising DeFi projects, or in projects, as they write here, with a trusted and reputable team. And as you now already saw, they have a big marketing or promotion schedule before they have their launch on the 8th of May, because they have, for example, an AMA in the DeFi Snipers community. They have an AMA with Pocket Aces, with Crypto Vo and Blockchain Ben, and also Scott the Investor. So there will be a lot of marketing. There will be a lot of videos on this project. And that's why I thought this would be interesting, and I wanted to bring it to your attention, that you can do your due diligence and your research before the project starts and get more information. So just get into their Telegram group. It will be linked down in the description, and then you can go to all these AMAs and listen in what DeFi Spammer says about the project and what the future plans are for it. So, and that's already it. That's everything I wanted to cover on this project for this first video. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comment section. You can, of course, also shoot me a DM. My Telegram and my Twitter will be linked down in the description box as well. And if you like today's video, would be great if you can hit the like button. If you don't want to miss other potentially promising DeFi projects, you might want to subscribe to my channel. I bring those videos at least every second day. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and let's get this crypto.